Hi everyone, it's Mr. Lim again, just here with your core PE work for this week. This week's focus is on Boccia. Now, when you check your emails, will have been sent this booklet, and it gives you all the information on an introduction to Boccia, the history, and some key terms and equipment, and then also your weekly schedule. So your first task is to fill in the gaps at the side. You can use the information in the booklet to do that, or if you need more information, you can use this link to take you to the Boccia England website. And that has everything you need and more to complete the first task. So just quickly, just to introduce Boccia, it's a target ball sport and it's played from a seated position. And the players take it in turns to propel the balls and land as close to a white marker ball, known as the jack. So it's similar to bowls. Now, it's originally a disability-based sport, but it can be played by everybody. You can play it as an individual, as pairs, or as part of a team. The player or players with a ball or balls closest to the jack after each round win points. Then the team with the most points at the end win the game. So your first challenge this week is called Boccia Flip It. And what you have to do is you're going to have to place a target around 1 metre from a start position, so you're going to have to create a seating area. Then you're going to have to improvise some boccia balls if you don't have any tennis balls or anything similar at home. So you can use marbles, scrunched up tinfoil, and then you have to have a target. And your aim is to either hit the target and then it moves back, or if you hit the target then someone needs to move it back until it goes past the playing area to score points. So, I set this up early in the week and it looked like this. So I created my seating area using a gym bench, some chairs and a bucket. For boccia balls I used a shot put, some juggling balls and some tennis balls. And then our target was a football. At the back where the cones are, showed the area which we had to move the target past to score points. So each person took it in turns to throw a boccia ball to hit the football. Then once the football travelled past the line, that scored a point for that team. And then you move it back and keep playing. And we played it for the best of 5 rounds. Now to make this easier, you can increase the target size. So you can use a larger ball in this example, or you can reduce the playing area. If you want more of a challenge, in this example you can play against the clock, so you can give yourself a limited amount of time to play. Or you can give yourselves multiple targets to hit. You're going to have to be creative in this challenge because not necessarily everyone has a garden to play in. So you're going to have to either do it inside, in your living room, or you can use a playing surface such as a table. So it's up to you. The next challenge is a bit of an adaptation to the first one. So all we did was I used the cones and we created a target area. So we just took it in turns again and we had to hit the football inside the triangle to score points. The next one, again, is just a little progression. So it looks like this. So same seated area, and then you have to create a funnel in which to throw your boccia balls down before hitting the target. Now if it goes out of the funnel or doesn't go through the first 2 cones before going down to the target, it doesn't count. So make sure you create some boccia balls and you need to have markers for your funnel. So if I show you my example again, I used the cones that I used before, and then I also used a big shot put and a brick. Now if you want to make this one easier, to make the funnel shorter and increase the width of the funnel openings, if you want more of a challenge, place random obstacles inside the funnel that you have to avoid before hitting your target. You're going to have to be really creative in these challenges, so really get involved. Right, just to summarise, you need to complete all of the tasks in the work booklet being sent to you over email. Then you need to set up and complete the Boccia, Flip It and Funnel challenges and get all of your families involved. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your attempts.